It's time for another cool tool review. This time we're going to take a look at these socket bit adapters for your drill or impact driver. For reasons I don't understand, my socket wrench set and most of the sets I see on Amazon don't include a basic adapter for dropping a socket bit into a drill or impact driver. This is dumb. Fortunately, you can fix this oversight for around $8 and get a set of adapters that will fit 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch sockets. Now you can just pop a socket onto the correct adapter, chuck it into your drill or driver, and make quick work of nuts and bolts. Whenever I use this, I feel like I'm part of a NASCAR pit crew. There's nothing fancy about them, and I can't think of any reason you need to pay any more for a better result. If you're lucky, you can find a place to keep them in your socket wrench set. Mine tuck in right under the wrench, which helps me keep everything together. That's all there is to it. It's such a simple thing, but I wish I'd gotten them sooner, and I wish more socket sets came with these. You can grab the same ones using the link in the description, and remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.